Hey guys, welcome to the third day of your summer history class. My name is Julie Johnson and I am your professor. Here's a quick video I'm doing for everyone to be able to get on the same page and get used to some of our online practices. So every week you will see a checklist as you see right here on your home page. I will make it your home page every week. You can see that for all discussions, every discussion will have a Thursday due date for your initial post. If I made every initial posting due on Sunday and your two responses, no one would respond until Sunday at 11 p.m., which would make responding to your classmates difficult. So I am looking to see that you post your initial post on Thursday for all discussions. And then you will respond to two other classmates by that Sunday. So for example, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is your first posting due on all your discussions. The intro discussion, your module 1 discussion, and your discussion 2 for this week. Sunday, you will respond to two other classmates in your introduction, in your module 1, and your discussion 2 all this week. You may also notice that sometimes the numbers of the weeks don't correspond to the checklist. I'll try to change those as I go, but this is a condensed 5-week class. So you should be following exactly what is on this checklist on your home page every week. You can also tell when you click on the discussion whether it says week 1, week 2, week 3, week 22. It'll have the due date right here, and generally those due dates are also up to date. So you can tell that this discussion is due on Sunday, July 5th. Again, remember, Canvas only lets me give you one due date. So you have your, ultimately everything is due on Sunday, July 5th for this discussion, but remember you must respond with your initial posting by Thursday of whatever week we're in. I hope that helps, and I'm always available via email. Definitely shoot me an email and say hi.